Hey friends, welcome back to QuizzerCat. Can you guess the cartoon location from a real-life POV video? Let's test your memory and eyes. Subscribe now, and let's jump in. Let's kick off with a legendary cartoon location you definitely know. Can you recognize it from this real-life POV video? Wow, that's the Krusty Krab from SpongeBob. Super! And here comes the next clip, fresh and trending. Can you tell which new popular animated movie it's from? Hey, that's the Big Donut from Zootopia. This film is a real 2025 hit. What about this cozy little house? Do you recognize which animated film it comes from? Aha! That's Carl's house from Up. This home literally flew away on balloons. Oh, another all-time classic. Can you guess whose house this is just from the footage? Of course. That's The Simpsons house, the longest-running animated series ever. Bonus level. Try to guess which character is hidden in this optical illusion. To see them, you'll need to squint just a bit. Ha! It's Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. Any ideas which Disney movie city this sweeping view belongs to? Aha! That's Agrabah City from Aladdin. Pure classic. Ooh, my favorite. Recognize this underwater spot captured like it exists in real life? Yay! That's Bikini Bottom from SpongeBob. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Now try this one. Whose quirky home is this? Yes. That's Gru's house from Despicable Me. So cool! Bonus. Can you decode the character's name from these 3 emojis? Read them in order and say it out loud. That's Mickey Mouse, one of Disney's most famous characters. What's this tower? Any guesses? Pay attention to the little details. Yes, that's the Lookout Tower from Paw Patrol. Excellent. Time to crank it up a notch. Which new hit animated movie does this control room belong to? Wow, that's the control center, headquarters, from Inside Out. It's where all the big decisions happen. Next location. Do you recognize this beautiful pink castle the moment you see it? Aha! That's Princess Peach's castle from the Super Mario movie. Bonus choice. What would you rather watch tonight? Inside Out or Super Mario? Share your pick in the comments. Let's see whose side you're on. Another home incoming. Can you guess which movie it's from just by this real-world look? Yes, that's the Casa Madrigal from Encanto. Great job. How about this legendary rock formation? Remember which film made it iconic? Exactly. That's Pride Rock from the classic The Lion King. All right. What about this bedroom scene? Any ideas where we are? Yep, that's SpongeBob's bedroom. Super duper. Oh! And this tower with the hair. Recognize the fairy tale film? Aha! That's Rapunzel's tower from Tangled. Incredible! Pop quiz. Can you name this unusual shack? Which animated series features it? Hey, that's the Mystery Shack from Gravity Falls. Any ideas what facility this is? Hint, it's a Disney movie. Yay, that's the door warehouse from Monsters, Inc. Through these doors, the monsters reach the kids' rooms. Bonus round. 2 emojis, 1 movie. Can you name it right away? Of course! That's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Green superheroes unite. Ow, another famous spot. Say the name. Yes, that's the Chum Bucket from SpongeBob. Plankton's base and fortress. Ha! What about this house on the hill? Ring any bells? Boom! That's Peppa Pig's house. Did you catch it? This one's trickier. Can you identify this Candy Bright palace? Oh, that's the Candy Kingdom from Adventure Time. And how about these 4 emojis? What animated film do they point to? Ah, that's Toy Story. Genius. What's this icy palace tucked among snowy peaks? Who does it belong to? Yes, that's Elsa's ice palace. Disney's Frozen magic. Only true masterminds will nail this one. Any guesses? Whoa, that's the City of Lights from Coco. Can you guess the next underwater hideout? It's Ariel's grotto from The Little Mermaid. Excellent! Think you know which film this train is from? Correct answer, The Polar Express, a wonderful holiday classic. Expert mode now. Can you name the location from this sweeping martial arts vista? Yes, that's the Jade Palace from Kung Fu Panda. You're seriously sharp if you got it. Bonus challenge. Squint at this optical illusion and try to spot which character's hidden inside. Figured it out? Then drop your answer in the comments. That's the finale, friends. Tell us in the comments how many movies you guessed correctly. Let's see who the real expert is. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and subscribe to catch more location guessing and emoji challenges. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.